Hello guys, how are you? Ibaba camera mwanangu panadika ende pakani. So, like this, so that they can see what we are about to do. Special thanks to Deep Poetry, guys. I'm going to tag him on the description so that you guys can follow him for more content. I just want to thank him for the Roadrunner Feeds class that we did, that I also attended online. So if you are far, maybe you are away, wherever you are, and you'd like to attend, please get in touch with Deep Poetry. So this is Roadrunner Feed that I'm going to mix today. It's unfortunate I didn't listen and paid attention properly about the soya beans. So these are the 3 mixtures that we are going to mix. What I have here is macresh. Macresh doesn't have enough energy, but this is what I got. Remember, you know what I mean. So this is macresh. This is wheat. This is wheat, and this is soya beans. So soya beans, I was supposed to roast it before I take it to Chigayo. So I went to Chigayo and forgot to mix it. So after I made that mistake, now I tried to roast it. This one, it's not perfectly roasted as it's supposed to do because it's burning so quick. Remember, wow, it's fine now, and there are very few crumbs, but most of it here is fine. So we're going to be making a mixture of a 20 kg macresh. Sorry, a 15 kg macresh. So this is a 15 kg macresh that we are going to mix. And in this 15 kg macresh, we also needed a 10 kg of wheat. No, this is not wheat. This is not wheat. This is soya beans. So this is wheat. So this one is a 10 kg wheat. So this is 15 kg macresh, 10 kg wheat. This is 10 kg wheat. It's exactly 10 kg, but I'm just going to leave a few because I've never tasted wheat. I've never tasted the wheat. So I'm just keeping this one for myself. This is about 500 grams. And then since I didn't roast this one, now it's supposed to be 1 kg. So this is 300 grams. This is 300 grams. This is 300 grams. And this is a third. This one. So this is now a kg of soya beans. So this is how we make our Roadrunner feeds. Feed that I'm making. So I'm making this food for my Roadrunners, but for me this one is for my pure Roadrunners. These ones that you are seeing here, these ones that you are seeing here. Come eat. Oh, sorry, that's not a feed. So this is my feed now for our Roadrunners. The free range, the kumusha. What? So guys, this is my feed. I always like to taste. Ndazofunga taste because nema creation inga shingo. So My feed is done. So now I need a safe container or safe saga. Let me see. But Handina. But since I don't have, this is where I'm going to put Mufang with it. This is where I'm going to put Mufang. That's a number. Oh, no food. Oh, food. No, but I'm going to Neta regio, gambo de regio. So, this is my feet. My feet. Ubi. Wango fa nombe waka, nzogeta si. Waka kanga, tafano kukuya, kukanga. Siyadukizayo. But ngiyakanga. So now, I don't know if it's going to work. Yes, indeed. Pushka. Sabe mais imbwa idzi ndedze panofamba makadzishaisa mufaro dzinofarira uku naizo ungoti akakumba kwenyu totanga kuka abuse unozofarira uku wazviona manje Safarisei. Daisoma yaisithatha manje. Gore randongonzi ndakwira bhazi kuenda Joni. Toma. Ndakurombidza ichi. Nyazotarisa vanhu hanzi. Ndakurombidza ichi. Watch. I want to buy you a nice watch. Unoziva nemhaka yendinotengera watch. Ndindofarira watch stereki. Wamuna chava ndina watch. Palapa ndotoregera kubvunzwa changu ndofarira singaite ndei 1. Oh, it's 2. 2. Pane manje. Kuti nekubata kwatinoita panapa ikafa inge zvaita sei nezvadhakwa. So guys, this is our chicken feed. So we've made 15 plus 10, 25. We've made 26 kgs of chicken feed. So now let us go and feed our chickens. Let's see if they're going to like the feed. Let's go. Oh, yay. So this is the other thing that I used to feed my chickens, guys. This is the other thing that I use. You see the vegetables here. So every time I go out, if this is finished, I look for my veggie eye, my cabbage, and then dopa huku. You know, I also believe don't go to a balance diet. So, and you know, cuckoo, cuckoo, I want cuckoo. Oh yes. I want to go to North. Ah, they like the food. They like the food. Oh, see? So guys, remember I made my first sale that day. I'm sure you saw the video. So I also made another sale today, but I forgot to make a video so that you guys can see. Thelma, let me turn the camera. How many chickens did we sell today?
13 chickens.
No, you're making a small mistake.
12.
Yes. So today, guys, we sold 12 chickens. We sold 2 roasters and nine hens that are on laying point, that are on a point of lay, and then 1 that is small. I'm very excited, guys. It has started paying off already. I'm not cooking too much because it's evening now. I don't want them to leave this. Someone not gonna feed them. If I want to do what I get later. Oh yes. So we also want to put food with these ones. This one they've got food. I bought them food feed, but I just want to put for this evening. No going out, 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 no going out. Oh, this one is yet. Come on, bring the camera. This one is yet. This one is also yet. Ah, what's happening? What's happening? Oh, let me take these ones out. The pure runners because they bite other chicken. So we need to take these 2 out now. Because you see these ones keep biting them. Oh my god. They keep biting them. So they will not recover. So we take this one to the brooder. Take this one to the brooder. So this feed is okay and safe if you are feeding your chickens which are 6 weeks or older. So all the chicks you are seeing here are over 6 weeks. They are over 6 weeks. This one is supposed to go out. So today I'm taking out the pure runners. this one that is it. Yeah. And this one. So I'm only leaving now. So here are 3 types of chickens here. There are 3 types of chickens. There is these ones. These are the black axolotl. These ones. These are the white Sussex. This one is the white Sussex. And this one also. And then these are the white Brahma. These ones. These are the white Brahma. So what I've learned so far is the white Sussex, they grow very fast. And then followed by the white Colombians, and then the black axolotl. The black axolotl are as good as the pure roadrunners. I'm sure you can see the ages are almost the same. So now I'll just fill up water here, and then that's it for today. That's it for today. So every time, and then idzinge enora iye iri kumba iyi imaise wakamisa shamu mayona irova neshamu. At least I'm snatching. I forgot what I was saying. So what I've also learned is if you are doing chicken, this is how you see if your chickens are eating. You take a look at here. You see, it's full. You don't have to press it, but just by touching it like this, you can tell that they are full. This is a sign that the chickens are full, guys. You also, when we came here, there was no feed, but this is a sign that they've eaten and they are full. Of course, they will eat, but this is a sign that they are full. So I'll advise you to normally check the small ones, because if they are mixed like this, you see this one is a bigger body. This one is slightly smaller. The edges are not very different, but these ones, the smaller ones, can be bullied and not eat at all. So this is how you check if the small ones are even eating. Like this one, for example, does it eat? You check here. This is full, so it means they eat.